I can put this on YouTube.
Yeah. It looks like you're dragging a dead cat. Sunshine, get up and walk. Lift her up on her feet. Okay.
She's not stupid.
Try and get her to walk. What a cat.
Put this in the funniest home videos.
Yeah.
I can put this on YouTube.
Make $10,000 off of it.
The cat
That
that's learning to walk on a leash.
No, Nick. Nick, no.
It looks like animal cruelty.
Alright, try to pull and
Yeah.
push it. Do it again, Brian. Come on.
You would put her over here.
Well, that's her idea of walking on a leash.
No, wait. No, Nick, no. Here.
Do you have a little bell or anything like that?
If you...
Do you have a bell or anything like that, Mary?
I did, but every time I put one on,
She attacked it.
she lost it. They can
We
get
could
it.
we could put the bell on right there and she would never be able to get
Oh,
go
yeah,
out of it.
it would on that. That's
Yeah.
right. Well, I
Yeah.